In this video, I'm going to show you how character reference work in Ideogram. So if you have any image that you generated or you're simplifying the image in the explore page that you like, let's say this lady, I'm going to click on it. And if I want to use this person as a character reference, simply mean that at any point in time, I want to generate other image or different scenes with the same person, you can add this image as a character reference. All you have to do is click the option where it says reference, use of character. You click here and you will see that it adds the person as or the image as a character. And so whenever you generate any image, that person will be a part of it. And that's it, guys. You just need to go ahead and click and generate with your prompt, and this person will be in that. So let's say I want to remove this image here and I want to just say create a happy scene, for example, in Paris with this character happy. For example, you can type something like that, hit generate, and it's going to generate the image using that person as a character. No, you're going to just wait. This is just a simple prompt, but you will get the general idea that you can quickly add a person in the image by doing character referencing in ideogram. And you can see right now it generates the images, and look at these four images, guys. They create the image of the lady being happy in Paris, and you can see there are four different images with the same lady or the same girl in it. How cool is that, right? So that's how we can quickly do character referencing in ideogram.